Patterns can be expressed using algebra. Look at these squares made out of matchsticks. To make one square, we need the blue match and the 3 black matches. To make 2 squares, we need 1 blue match and 2 lots of 3 black matches. To make 3 squares, we need the blue match and 3 lots of 3 black matches. Can you see the pattern? To make S squares, we need 1 blue and S lots of 3 black matches. S lots of 3 is written 3 times S or 3S. M equals 1 plus 3S is a formula that links S, the number of squares, and M, the matches required. We can use this formula to figure out how many matches required to make, for example, 100 squares. By replacing S with 100, we know that 1 plus 3 times 100 equals 301. We need 301 matches to make a pattern with 100 squares. Look at this second pattern. It is made out of hexagons. To add another hexagon, I need 5 more matches. So, if I have 601 matches, how many hexagons can I make? Stop the video here and give it a go. Right, did you try? This problem requires you to work backwards. We need to figure out the value of h that makes m equals 601. So we need solving the equation 5h plus 1 equals 601. We know that when we multiply h by 5 and add 1, the answer is 601. So working backwards, we need to minus 1 and divide this by 5. By solving an algebraic equation, we know that we can make 120 hexagons if we have 601 matches. Make sure to check out some of these other videos, and until next Wednesday, happy learning!